Okay, go ahead and tell us where you're from.
I'm from New York. My name's Ed.
Okay. And what did you come in for?
Or what were your symptoms?
Symptoms, I had some numbness in my right heel and my right leg. I had muscle atrophy in my right leg and some lower back pain. I have spinal stenosis.
Okay. And what?
Results did you get?
Well, I'm about halfway through the process now, and I have an unblocking in my hips. I feel my leg coming back. It's a little stronger. I'm not limping as much as I was so far, and I expect to get a lot stronger based on exercises that I've been given.
That's awesome. Is there anything else you want to add?
Just that Dr. Bergman, I've been searching for a long time to find the right person, and coming from New York to California is quite a haul to make sure you're doing the right thing. But I knew right off the bat that he was the guy. It's just logical how he heals people. It's just logical. He really doesn't heal anybody. He shows you how to heal yourself. That's really the trick, and that's the best thing I can say about this. It's just logical. It's just he resonates with me completely.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay.